Payette River today, just out of the town of McCall. We're gonna take our raft on a little float here.
There's a fish.
All right, there. Yeah, dude, that's a good one.
Nice fish.
Beautiful.
Thanks, buddy. That was...
Nice work, man. Nice work.
This week, we're in McCall, Idaho. Now, McCall may be one of the nicer hidden gems in Idaho and the West. We're gonna spend some time with the guys from Drift West.
Drift West is a full-service fly shop in McCall, Idaho, and we are also a booking agency for local, regional, and worldwide events.
We're on a very isolated alpine lake.
Dude, there he is.
Come on. Slide him in, slide
Yep.
him in.
Got him.
Yeah!
Nice. Nice.
That's awesome.
What a beautiful fish. What an absolutely gorgeous fish. Go on. Get bigger, sweetheart.
This whole scene was very different for me, and I have to admit that I was kind of taken by the stark beauty of this landscape. There really isn't an end to the inspiration in the Rockies.
Stay with us. It's going to be a great episode, and it's all coming to you next on The New Fly Fisher.